Today's project is going to be start to put this engine on the satellite. This is a 89 360. It was on a wrecked truck, so all I did was put main and rod bearings, rings, honed it out and ringed it. I put a stock intake on it, 4-barrel intake. I don't know how that's gonna work, but we'll see. And since I forgot that I had a internal balanced torque converter, I had to go by this that says don't use, but this is for a 360 external balanced. That's what's going in there. And of course, it's not on yet. I forgot I hadn't put it on, so we're gonna start getting this thing to run. Нет. 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 There we go. That's how it goes. The holes need to line up on the crank bolts. Is actually a pretty good idea. And there we have it. Don't use on an internally balanced motor. Well, it's in. That's it for today, 4th of July. That's all the work I'm gonna do. Thing fits like a glove. So let's just start putting everything together and hopefully get it running by the end of the week, I hope.